Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is the introduction class of AutoCAD. I will start from basics, which is very useful for beginners to start a drawing on AutoCAD. So once you open the AutoCAD application, you will get the user interface like this. Here you see there will be two options available. One will be learn, another one will be create. So you will see this learn part later and you can go through the create part once. So here some of the options available, that is get start. Mean once you click on start drawing, you will get the user interface which we have to draw there. And if you see open files, open a sheet set, get more templates online, means you can bring from online which was available in the net directly. And open files in the sense whatever the save files already you drawn, you can open from here directly. If you see here, once you click whatever the saved files recently you have, see here, you can open directly from here itself. And again recent documents, whatever the work you done previously, so those are the things available here in the recent documents. So first you click on the start drawing, so you will get the user interface like this. Okay, so this here home, insert, annotate. So this is the ribbon which is the menu bar. So first you come from the this application bar. If you click on this one, you will get some options which is available here: new, open, save as. So what is new in the sense, if you click on this new one, so new work order will be start. Okay, and again if you open this one, whatever the previously you drawn, you want to work on that particular drawing, you can open from here whatever the drawing you want. Okay, which can be accessed previously whatever you drawn. So already I shown in the starting interface also. And again you see here some of the options available like save, whatever the work you save up, you can save updated, save as. So already we know we worked previously on the MS Office Word like that. So there also these options will be available: new, open, save as. The same things here also. Whatever the work we have to alterate, save, it can be worked with these options only. And import and export in the sense, so if you want to import any other drawings, any other applications here in this AutoCAD, you can import directly from here. And export in the sense, we have to export this drawing to other softwares also. And publish, print, we can know all these things. We will see this drawing utilities also later. And again this is the quick access toolbar. Here also whatever the options available in the application, you can see the same options available here: new, open, save as. Without going this application always, you can directly save your file whatever you drawn here directly and save as. And open from web and mobile. So some of the tools which is easily available in the quick access toolbar. And this is the ribbon which shows the menu options like home, insert, annotate. Under this there will be so many different options available in home, like line option, polyline, circle, arc, and various tools will be available for quick drawing purpose. So we will discuss each and everything regarding this ribbon also. And coming to this one, this is the viewport. Okay, so here if you observe this one, this is the UCS icon, and this is the view cube, and this is the navigation bar. So if you go through this view tab, these three things will be highlighted. One will be UCS icon, view cube, and navigation bar. Okay, so if you click on this one, means unhighlight this one, what happens? Your UCS icon will be disappears. Similarly view cube also disappears. Similarly navigation bar also disappears. So by default it will be highlighted, and if you want you can unhighlight or highlight this one. It is safe to be there in the viewport for our better direction purpose. Even navigation also useful tool which we can easily drawing whatever we want. So we will discuss each and everything, that one also. And coming to this one, there will be model, which we are working in this viewport, and this D-size layout is the, see here, if you click on this one layout will be appears like this. Whatever the drawing you drawn, it will be appear in the form for submission like this. So this one will be the model and this one will be the layout, and this one will be the command box. See here, type a command. For example, if I click here and click L in the sense shortcut for the line command. If I want to draw a line, I can go to the line. I have to type line directly and click enter. So like that also I will draw a line. So if you come out of this command, you can click enter, or you can come out of this command by clicking on escape, okay, or else you can use space also, okay. Otherwise the same line command you can draw from here in the directly from this menu bar. That is, you can click here in the line and directly you can draw. So for coming out of this line command, I am click here escape, space bar. So you can once click this enter, space or escape, you come out of that command. Otherwise what happens, you see I am not entering space or escape command or enter command, it will be coming like that only. So the command, we are in that command only. Once you click any command like escape or any other command like enter or space, so we are coming out of this particular command whatever we are, okay. And one more thing I shown here in this command box, line, line enter, or I am drawing the line from this toolbox. So for line command there will be shortcut which is L enter. I think so many people know this commands. If you are very aware of this one, you please skip this one and move to the next topic what I explained later, okay. So see here, L is the line command. If I click just L enter, so you are in that particular command and you can draw the line whatever you want. So to come out of this command, you click anyone like enter or space or escape, okay. This is the way how this command box will be very useful. Again, if you click this into, what happens, this command box will be closes, and again if you want this command box, what you have to do, press Ctrl+9. So you can see this option, you first close that one and again you can enter Ctrl+9. What happens, your command box will be appear once again here, okay. And another bar will be the status bar. See here, there will be so many tools available here, each and everything we will discuss this one also. If you see first one, if you click on the first one, that is display drawing grid. If you click on this one, what happens, so this is not highlighted, means which we are working on the plain area like without any grids. Again if you click on this one, if you will get grids like this. So like that the status bar also useful for our drawing purpose. We will explain one by one, okay. So to delete all this one, we have to use delete command also. First you have to select all the objects and then you can click the delete. Then your viewport will be new